Hello, my name is Brian Tracy. I get a lot of questions from my friends on social media, and I've decided to answer some of them as we go along. Here's a question we received recently.
How can I overcome procrastination?
Well, there are many ways to overcome procrastination. The starting point is to have everything that you need ready before you begin work. It's much easier to get started if you don't have to run around looking for things. A second thing is to make a checklist of every step in the project. Sometimes a project is overwhelming unless you list every single point. Henry Ford once said that the biggest goal can be achieved if you break it down into enough small parts. And then the next key is to do just one small part. Just get started. Just do number one. That may only take you 2 minutes or 5 minutes. And once you start the first one, you get positive feedback in the form of dopamine in your brain, which makes you feel happy, and it motivates you to take the next step. And when you take the next step, you get more motivation, which motivates you into taking the next step. So the keys are: have everything you need, make a list of every step in the project, especially the big project, and take the first step. All of success is determined by your willingness and your ability to take the first step. Everything else will take place after that. I hope that answer was helpful to you, and if it was, be sure to take action, and take action now.